Welcome to EJN TV. In this video, I'll explain the 10 surprising health benefits of honey. In the past, since ancient times, honey has been used as both as food and as medicine. It is very high in beneficial plant compound and offers several health benefits. Honey is particularly healthy when used instead of refined sugar, which is 100 empty calories. So it is better to use honey instead of using refined sugar. Okay, so there are 10 health benefits of honey. The first benefit is honey contains some nutrients. Honey contains some nutrients. Honey is sweet, thick liquid made by honeybees. The bees collect sugar, mainly the sugars-rich nectar of flowers, from the environment. Once inside the beehive, they repeatedly consume, digest, and regulate the nectars. The end product is honey, a liquid that serves as stored food for bees. So the liquid which serves as stored food for bees is called honey. The smell, the color, and the taste of honey depend on the type of flowers visited. Nutritionally, 1 tablespoon of honey, it contains 21 grams, contains 64 calories, and 17 grams of sugar, including fructose, glucose, maltose, and sucrose. It contains virtually no fibers, no fats, no protein, and it contains trace amount under 1% of RDI of several vitamins and minerals. The second important of honey is that quality honey is rich in antioxidant. So it means that honey, it has antioxidant properties. High quality honey contains many important antioxidants. These include organic acid and phenolic acids like flavonoids. Scientists believe that combination of these compounds give honey its antioxidant power. Interestingly, 2 studies have been shown that buckwheat honey increases the antioxidant value of your blood. Antioxidant has been linked to reduce the risk of heart attacks. So antioxidant in honey helps to reduce the risk of heart attacks, strokes, and some kind of cancer, and also it may also improve eye health. The third benefit of honey is that honey is less bad than sugar for diabetes. The evidence on honey and diabetes is mixed. On one hand, it can reduce several risks of heart diseases common in people with diabetes type 2. Also, for example, it may lower bad LDL cholesterol, triglyceride, and inflammation while raising good HDL cholesterol. However, some studies have found it can also increase blood sugar level, just not as much as refined sugar. While honey may be slightly better than refined sugar for some people with diabetes, it should still be consumed with caution. So honey may be slightly better than refined sugar, but honey also should be consumed with caution. In fact, people with diabetes may do best by minimizing all high carb foods. Keep in mind too that certain types of honey may be adulterated with pain syrup. Although honey adulteration is illegal in most countries, it remains a widespread problem. The fourth benefit of honey is that the antioxidant in it can help lower blood pressure. Blood pressure is an important risk factor for health diseases, and honey may help lower it. It is because it contains antioxidant compound that has been linked to lower blood pressure. As we said in the past, that honey, it contains antioxidant, and this antioxidant in it helps to lower blood pressure. So if you have high blood pressure, the pressure will be lowered. Studies in both rats and humans have shown moderate reduction in blood pressure from consuming honey. The fifth benefit of honey is that honey also helps improve cholesterol level. High LDL cholesterol level is a strong risk factor for heart diseases. This type of cholesterol plays a major role in atherosclerosis, the fat builds up in your arteries that can lead to heart attacks, and strokes. Interestingly, several studies show that honey may improve your cholesterol level. So honey, it helps to improve cholesterol level. So for high LDL cholesterol level is a strong risk for high LDL cholesterol level is a strong risk for heart attack. So if you like to take honey, it means that honey will reduce the cholesterol level. If you reduce cholesterol level, it means that you reduce the risk of heart diseases. The sixth benefit is that honey can lower triglycerides. Elevated blood triglycerides are a risk factor for heart diseases. They are also associated with insulin resistance, a major drive of type 2 diabetes. So it means that this elevated blood triglycerides, they are risk factor of heart diseases. They are also associated with insulin resistance. So high level of triglycerides, they are insulin resistance, and insulin resistance is a major drive for diabetes type 2. So triglyceride level tend to increase on a diet high in sugar and refined carbs. So for example, one study compared honey and sugar found 11 to 19% lower triglyceride level in a honey group. The seventh benefit of honey is that the antioxidants in it are linked to other beneficial effects on heart health. Again, honey is a rich source of phenol and other antioxidant compounds. Many of these have been linked to reduce the risk of heart diseases. They may help the arteries in your heart dilate, increase blood flow to your heart. They may also prevent blood clot formation. This can lead to heart attacks and strokes. The eighth benefit is that honey promotes burns and wound healing. Topical honey treatment has been used to heal wounds and burns since ancient Egypt, and it's still commonly used today. A review of 26 studies which were done on honey and wound care found honey most effective at healing particularly thickness burns and wounds that have been infected after surgery. Helps in healing. Honey is also effective treatment for diabetic foot ulcers. For those people who are having diabetic foot ulcers, you should apply honey, which are serious complications which may lead to amputations. Yeah. Another benefit of honey, the ninth benefit of honey, that honey can help suppress cough in children. For those people who are having cough, especially children, if you drink honey or if you take honey orally, cough will be eliminated. So coughing is a common problem for children with upper respiratory infection. This infection can affect sleep and quality of life for both children and parents. However, mainstream medication for cough are not always effective and can have side effects. Interestingly, honey have a better choice and evidently indicating it is effective. So honey is very effective in treatment of cough. One study found that honey worked better than two common cough medications. So honey, it works better than two common medication, because some medication may have side effects, but honey has no side effect. The 10th benefit is that it is delicious but still high in calories and sugar. Honey is delicious, healthier, and alternate to sugar. Some make sure to choose a high quality blend because some lower quality ones may be mixed with syrup. Keep in mind that honey should only be consumed in moderation, and it is still high in cholesterol and sugar. The benefits of honey are more pronounced when it is replacing others and healthier in sweetness. So thank you for listening to me. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to comment. Thank you.